everybody. This is Shazad, and welcome to my YouTube channel, Shazad from Canada. If you are thinking about working as a nurse in New Zealand and wondering about the process, this video is for you. In this video, I'll guide you through the steps that internationally educated nurses need to follow to register with the Nursing Council of New Zealand in 2025 and start their nursing career in this beautiful country. Before I delve deep into the entire process and mandatory steps for registration, I would like to request those who are new to this channel to kindly subscribe. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to share and comment. So New Zealand has a high demand for nurses, and if you are a registered nurse from another country, you can apply to work here, and nurses have great opportunities. What you need to do is to follow seven simple steps, and these steps are the first one is you need to check eligibility, and the second one is you have to go for credential verification through CGFNS, and you need to meet English language requirements. You need to apply for uh, Nursing Council of New Zealand registration process, and then you need to complete the Competency Assessment Program if that is applicable to you, because based on your eligibility assessment, they will identify whether you need to go for CAP, which is Competency Assessment Program, or not. Obtain practicing certificate. This is the sixth step, and then finally you need to apply for visa. Now I will explain all these steps in more detail for you. So let's start. And as I said, the first step is you need to check your eligibility. So before starting the process, ensure you meet the basic eligibility criteria. Um, you have completed a recognized nursing education from mm, you know uh, from your home country, which must be equal to New Zealand standards of nursing program, and you must have current nursing registration or license in your home country. The other important thing is you need to have recent nursing experience, and at least you need to have 1800 hours experience in your home country. In the previous years, the requirement for the experience was less, was high actually. It was not 1800 hours, it was more, right? So now they have reduced the number of hours in the experience component. The second requirement, you need to get credential verification done through CGFNS. So all internationally qualified nurses must get their credential verified through CGFNS International, and these credentials include their educational transcripts, license, their license, and they need to be verified. Their work experience need to be verified, and their identity verification should also be done. You can apply, for CGFNS credential verification online, but remember to apply for New Zealand portal, because CGFNS provide the credential verification services for United States. So don't make this mistake. If you are registering or you are going to register for New Zealand, you need to select the New Zealand portal. The third important requirement is the English language proficiency. So there are different exams that Nursing Council of New Zealand accept, and these are two important exams. The first one is IELTS, and the second one is OET. In IELTS, you need to score uh, 7 band in each component. Though in the writing they can consider 6.5, but it's better if you can score or achieve a band score of 7 in all the components. Similarly, in OET, they need to the candidates need to have a 350 plus score, and in writing again they can consider a 300 plus, but you should try to get more than 350 in all the components. You need to remember that Nursing Council of New Zealand, they don't accept any other English exam, like they don't accept PT, and there is there can be some exceptions for those candidates who are working in English speaking countries, or who have education from English speaking country. They can receive exemptions, but it's not it's not confirmed. They can assess their credential, and based on that they can make decision whether the candidate can get the exemption or not. The next step is once the credential verification is done, you need to apply for registration with Nursing Council of New Zealand. And uh, you know for the registration you need to pay their fee. uh, you need to submit CGFNS report, your English test results, your passport, and nursing license. So the council will assess your eligibility and determine if you need to complete a competency assessment program. So that is based on their assessment. So if you need to complete competency assessment program, if that is required, you have to go for that. And for that, you need to enroll in Nursing Council of New Zealand's approved CAP program. This is usually 6 to 12 weeks, which happens in New Zealand. And you need to undergo for clinical training and assessment, and also successful. You need to successfully complete the CAP course to become eligible for full registration. Um, the next step, which is sixth step, you need to obtain your annual practicing certificate. Once you pass competency assessment program, you must apply for an annual practicing certificate, which allows you to legally work in now, as you are registered with the council now, and you have obtained your license to practice in New Zealand, what's the next step? The next thing is you need to apply for a work visa. So after completing the registration process, after obtaining the license, you need to get work visa. There could be various options. These include accredited employer work visa, which requires a job offer from an accredited employer. And the second thing could be skilled migrant category visa. If you meet residency requirement, you can get skilled migrant category visa. So these were all the steps, and as I have explained the process, in simple steps, and now I think the internationally educated nurses can have a better understanding how to get registered with the Nursing Council of New Zealand in 2025, and how to complete these processes. I hope this video has made the steps clear for you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumb up, and don't forget to subscribe. for more nursing career. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below, and I would be happy to help. And also, let me know in the comments. Are you planning to work in New Zealand as a nurse, or do you have any specific questions about competency assessment program or job opportunities? I would love to hear from you. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you and bye.